Attention real estate agents, sales reps, coaches, authors, small business owners, and professionals who are overwhelmed with their collected business card piles and want a quick and simple way to turn that mess into a modern digital contact management system without breaking the bank and having fun doing it too. If this is you and you're sick and tired of being so disorganized and overwhelmed with the business card mess you created in your office, this workshop will be one of the best investments you'll make this year. This is Amazon #1 best-selling author and technology therapist Dave Rebro, and on Thursday, May 16th from 9 a.m. to 11:50 a.m., I am hosting a hands-on workshop where you will take action and consolidate, digitize, and organize your business card stacks into a super smart, interactive, workable, and shareable contact Rolodex using one of my favorite apps, Evernote. In no time at all, you'll be converting business cards from a static piece of paper into a live, dynamic, interactive, and shareable contact file. It's so quick and easy to do, and the results are so powerful. You'll walk away wishing you would have known how to do this before you created that paper card mess. Here's a quick taste of what you'll be learning in the workshop. Okay, I'm in Evernote right now, and I'm going to go ahead and scan a business card and save it directly into my Evernote account in 20 seconds or less. First of all, I'm going to select the camera feature. And once in Evernote, I'm just going to hover over a business card. And if I square it up enough, automatically it's going to find the edges, take a picture, and then go into the card, extract all the contact information from the card. If that email address on the card is attached to their LinkedIn account, it will include that contact's LinkedIn profile photo and other contact information not shown on the card. I then have an option to go ahead and send a LinkedIn invitation and email my contact information as soon as I click save at the top. Evernote then converts that paper business card into a digital contact note right in Evernote. Of course, what I just showed you is just scratching the surface of what you're going to learn in the Thursday, May 16th hands-on workshop. You know, wouldn't it be great to finally reserve some time to declutter your business card mess and leverage them to grow your business or career? Once you complete scanning your business cards, you're going to learn how to create a modern Rolodex file, add conversation notes about the contact to help foster relationships and build community, and organize your contacts by industry, enabling you to become an influencing connector in your business community. Plus, you'll create a helpful interactive index file of all your business cards. And finally, you will learn some of my favorite strategies to help you turn your new digital files into a relationship management system. So, if you want in and you would like to participate in this workshop, find the registration link in this post, sign up, and I'll see you at the workshop. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer them for you.